Hi, my name's Fabian. I'm the train assessor. Today I'm going to show you my learner, which is Matt here. I want to explain the objectives today's objectives is how to learn a new skill, and that is filling fuel and chainsaw. It's fairly straightforward. So by the end of the session, you'll be able to safely and quickly fill a chainsaw. Okay, there you go. Fabian, Matt, thanks for coming here today. Look, as I said, today we're going to be learning how to, a new skill, and that is how to fill up a chainsaw. It's pretty straightforward. By the end of the session, you'll be able to, safely and correctly fill a chainsaw, which you've got on the floor here. First of all, before we start, WHS considerations. So we are in a working environment. We've got to work here, so stuff we'll be looking for, trips and falls. So we assess the risk here. So there's no risk here. We're fairly open in the workshed. Our toilets are over here. First door on the left. Emergency exit. In case of a fire, we're going to go straight out here to the main gates, and we'll wait for instructions in an unlikely event. PPE, so we've got your gloves on. We've got my gloves here too. So PPE considerations, we've got high-vis work boots, safety glasses as well. So before we start off, we'll make sure we'll have our PPE. Right. So first of all, this is the chainsaw, as you can see. Okay. First and foremost, so before we start the chainsaw, we need to check a few things. Obviously the tension of the chain. So its features here. So you got your fuel, two-stroke fuel, which is mixed, which is 50:1 mix ratio. Because it's a two-stroke engine. And on the other side, front of the chainsaw, you've got your chain and bar lube, which lubes your chain and bar as it rotates. So this is here, and on the back side, you've got your choke. So when you're starting a chainsaw, first of the day, especially in the mornings, make sure you've got it on the choke, which is straight down. Just an on switch, which is the next one up, which is the middle, to get it running. And on top, you've got your chain brake. At all times, make sure that's operational when it clicks on and off. So back, you've got your chain off, and forward, you've got your chain on. So you've got your chain on, stops the chain from moving, which is a safety feature. I'll just pick up the chainsaw here. So you've got your throttle. So without, it's a two-way throttle, meaning that you've got your thumb down, and your other finger is to maneuver or get the throttle going. So without those two movements, it's not operational. So at all times, push down the thumb for it to operate. You just can't operate with just the one that you need. So it's like a dummy or dead man switch. Your filter as well. So you make sure at the start of each day, especially, that you clean your filter, because you get clogged up with sawdust. So ensure that just get in the habit of actually checking it each time we use it. So that's your chainsaw. The chain itself, to make sure that your teeth are sharp. That's anything in general. It's an actual whole course of actually how to sharpen chains. But today is a skill of just adding fuel. But I've just shown you the features of the actual chainsaw before we go from there. We're not going to start her up because our skill here, objective is just to fill up fill up fuel, chain. So we'll just open that up. Okay, Matt's going to demonstrate. Fuel to the first compartment. Yep, lid goes back on, cap goes on. Matt just moved the chainsaw close to his body, so takes away the manual handling risk. Now he's adding oil, chain and oil to that compartment as well. Lid goes back on. There you go. Thank you, Matt. So you have demonstrated to me that you've learned a new skill, and that is how to safely and correctly fill a chainsaw. And this particular chainsaw is a Stihl. Thank you very much, Matt. Any questions regarding this new skill that you showed me and performed?
Yeah, does doing it on a cold day affect anything?
No, it does if it's on a cold day. Therefore, you've got a choke. So the reason why trying to start any engine, especially two-stroke, on a cold day, it does have its difficulty. That's why majority of two-stroke engines have a choke method. So it allows easy operation when you are starting up a chainsaw. This is an example. So. Other than that, yeah, you've done well. Thank you very much, Matt. Appreciate it. Easy.